Titli's tiny tips.
This is a 500-gram red cabbage, and you can do more with this than just pickle it. Begin by shredding the cabbage, cutting it from the top into thin slices. Then cut the rings into quarters, just to shred it even more. 1 shredded cabbage. Put the cabbage in a pan and add in a cup of water, a cup of wine, in my case alcohol-free, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of vinegar, a tablespoon of butter and 2 cloves. Bring it to the boil, stir well. Now cover and simmer gently for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove the lid, stir, and now simmer for another 20 minutes with the lid off. When the liquid is almost gone, it's cooked. Your cabbage will be flavourful, sweet and just slightly crunchy.